Let me show you best features that you can find for Redmi Buds 6. So first of all is a feature that I cannot show you anywhere here, but those earbuds does support Bluetooth 5.4, which I explained in more detail in my explanation video for Bluetooth 5.4. If you're interested, you can check it out, but in the shortcut, it improves the overall quality and offers lower battery consumption for your earbuds. Then we can move to the app, as this app offers most of the features for those earbuds, and we're gonna start with the gestures. So if you enter that, you can customize the gestures for your earbuds, and there's plenty of options. You can customize them however you like. And as I said, there's plenty. You can, for example, go for double tap left earbud and then choose whichever action you like. Then there's the audio effects. If you enter that, then there's dimensional audio and immersive sound, which increases immersion and sense of space when using your earphones. Additionally, we can find audio balance that you can switch here, and this is basically equalizer. So you can enhance treble, bass, or voice, or set it to custom, and then customize equalizer yourself. Sorry for that. Next will be, I forgot for about 3 options above, which is pretty standard right now. You can enable transparency mode, noise cancellation, or turn it off entirely. So noise cancellation offers you option which will basically cancel most of the sounds from the outside, so you can focus on music, movies, or gaming, however you're plan on using your earbuds. Then there's the transparency, which actually improves the sound that is coming around your earbuds. And next we can go for additional settings. Inside you can enable in-ear detection to basically stop your earbuds from managing different shortcuts and stuff like that when they are not in your ears. Then there's the ear tip fit test that you can perform and check which of the options is best for you when it comes to ear tips. Dual connection allows you to connect your earbuds to the 2 devices at the same time. And then there's take calls automatically, which allows you to answer calls automatically with your earbuds as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.